I'm going into the crowd. 100%.
I did drive it on.
We can drive. We spun your car before. Fire. Oh. So my dad and Hunter decided to buy a Mustang today. Let's see if it runs. She runs. Not bad. Not bad. How much? Not bad. Not bad.
It sounds solid.
It does sound good. Yeah, you want to make this a drift car?
Fuck yeah. But I already priced it.
How much?
Full FDF kit is 1,800 and the hydro is done.
It is done.
That's it. 2,300 is a full drift car.
Let's get it off the truck. So we don't finish the project cars we have. We just keep buying more cars for no reason. Because supposedly, from what it looks like, there's an unlimited money tree somewhere that we're just going like this and we're just buying cars. Kill switch, call it a day.
Yeah.
And it's probably his fucking music system.
It's not like a daily driver. As long as it starts when we go to the track.
Bro, this thing is fucking clean.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The motor sound, it's good. Hopefully it's on coils already.
It's on suspension.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's it. You said it's a heavy clutch too, so it's probably aftermarket clutch.
It's a heavy clutch.
So I don't know if the guy just wanted to go.
Sounds fucking good.
Shit sounds good.
That tire? That's just taking no air. All right, so we got a Mustang. Well, my dad and Hunter got a Mustang. Fun. Oh, here we go. The BRZ's taking a little leap of absence, so here, this makes up for it. I mean, the frame looks pretty solid. This side's kind of cooked. Savable from like right now, kind of. Oh, whatever, we'll put it inside tomorrow, we'll see. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pull this thing in tomorrow, check it out. It's here, see if they like it. If they like it, they can buy it. I'm not a Mustang guy. That's it, ciao. All right, so last night you guys saw that we got delivery of the new Mustang. This one, in fact, I came to the conclusion I'm not gonna put this one into a wall. Because it's a Mustang, I'm going into the crowd, 100%. But, I mean, we're gonna have some fun with this thing. It's pretty cheap to put this car together. I think I need maybe like what, $2,500 to $2,800 to go with front angle kit, hydro, calipers, and what else? Some suspension in the rear. Already has an upgraded clutch. The clutch is heavy as shit. And that's it. What else am I gonna do to this thing? I mean, this is gonna be an actual missile car. I've turned the E92 into a missile car, but whatever. You know what it is, bro? I start working on customers' cars and I get excited and I start to like them and I buy them. Like, look, Mustang. I enjoyed building his car, and then boom, we got this Mustang. Today on Brown Boy Chronicles, we have Mr. Yash driving the E36.
This shit feels mad weird.
Oh shit. That's what happens for talking shit.
Yo, should I pull it all the way in?
All the way in where? Like all the way back? Yes, tuck it over there.
Oh, the shovel's in the way.
It's hard to judge, right? I still can't get to the fact of the right-hand drive thing. I'll be looking at people getting inside the car. I'm like, what the getting in on the wrong side? Damn, I can't say those words, right? Beep. If anybody wants an E90, we're selling it. $10,000 as it sits.
How does it sit?
Blown. Hey. Yo, try and fill up that back tire. Where's the air truck? I'm not driving it outside. Think they'll make a good drift car?
And the tensioner, a belt, and the side of the pulley. It looks like it's already starting to score.
Yeah, you see, look at, what is that? A fucking fuel filter?
What, this?
Oh no, that's the fucking
air
AC. That's the AC.
And they broke the bolt in the block. Battery terminals. Milwaukee!
Fire, I love when we find tools.
That's going on the Charger.
It's got a brand new starter in it. A diff service. About fucking welded and put some fluid in it. What diff service?
That's what I'm saying. We got bushings from the E90 because we don't got an exhaust no more. So
I don't, this is the shit I don't like.
What?
This.
What?
Look at the frame. Look at that. I would want to paint this car like an electric blue with white stripes, with the blue stripes.
Why would the baby blue stripes go crazy too?
I'll never buy a Ford because it has to be a Ford GT. No, it's wired. Hell no. A system in the E36?
Why not? On the back deck.
No, I'm not gonna put. I'm gonna put a TV. I'm gonna get like like a 32-inch TV. So when I open up the trunk, the TV flaps out like this. Woo.
We have one of our dear customers come by, hands me a throttle body and says, here you go. He goes, put this on your new drift car. Congratulations on your new Mustang. So, we went from the factory throttle body over here, which who knows what size this is. I believe they're like a 50 mil or 63. And we jumped ourselves up here to a 78 millimeter throttle body. Now, we can have some real fun. Not even 24 hours into ownership and we're already modding the car. Outside, ready to drift.
And this is the other upgrade we did, everybody.
Yo, Z, these fumes don't get to you?
Nah, not really. And the four corners. The four corners of the gears.
Should we turn the welder on?
Yeah, that would be great. Right here.
Turned it on.
Look.
Well, this is gasless welder. So how are we gasless welding? Gas tank?
Not gonna spark on fire.
What do you
I was
mean?
gonna say, spark it up, let it all catch, and then fire. Yo, just get a fire
Where's
extinguisher.
the fire
Wait.
extinguisher side?
Gear. This to this to that, and up top.
I like that mask.
I like mine too.
Hold on, maybe we gotta turn this bitch up. No. That's the wire.
That's the feed over down here.
Fire.
It's underneath that.
It's underneath. It's
Oh
underneath.
fuck!
Fire extinguisher call. Why'd you guys do that? Fire in 2 seconds. You gotta leave the oil underneath the flame.
Whose idea was that? We wanted to make sure to catch the sparks. That's why we left it.
Imagine that shit on fire inside right now.
Shut the fuck up.
I wish I had gloves.
So fun.
I don't know where they went.
Automatic. I did drive it.
We can ride. We spun your car before.
Yo, Q, go underneath my cart and grab the yellow gloves.
There's nothing more painful than that.
You out here?
How's your box?
I just don't know why it's not sticky.
Probably gotta light that shit on fire, bro.
Get the torch. Brake cleaner's flammable?
Yeah?
You wanna light this shit on fire with brake cleaner or not really?
I mean, it's a little close to the gas tank over here.
Fire! 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 Boom! Fire!
You think that shit's gonna explode? Yeah.
All right. Well, it's officially ordered.
Watch out.
It's no good.
Oh!
Oh. Let it burn. Let it burn.
inside.
Let it burn.
No way.
I'm telling you, put it. We got a whole extinguisher behind us. Put it.
It's not even lit. Somebody stand by the fire extinguisher. Get that shit ready.
Fire is no match for me. I am the firefighter.
We're good?
Oh, come on, me.
If you're gonna do anything to this, we coyote swap it.
100%. But after we blow this motor, it's kind of. I thought you had a fight or some shit.
Live.
What time is it?
I figured I'm gonna slide open
Yeah, just dump the clutch a bunch of times.
Can we
Tilt. I see it. Like that.
stick it? Just look.
It's fine. You said it's okay? I trust you.
Double check it.
Too late.
Just creasing. Fucking.
I popped both my tires.
You're a shit show.
Look, I got it on
Did you fix the Mustang yet? I mean the
Yeah, you're looking at it.
Mercedes.
You fixing it?
What? What you mean?
You fixed the
What,
Mustang?
this? I didn't even touch it. I think it's a good thing I didn't touch it.
Bye.
Yeah, I don't want you to work on this one. I don't want you to work on this one.
Drift car number 4 is officially here. It's stamped. Drift with love, baby. You know how we do. So already today, we ordered the angle kit. We welded the diff just now. We ordered the hydro. We ordered the second brake. We ordered the brake line kit. And 48 hours later, we got a supercharger, baby. Come on. Right here, baby. Saline supercharger. Wasting no time. Look at that right here. Bow. We're not playing OEM. About to turn shit up with this Mustang. I haven't really played with the American cars, but we'll turn it up with this one. All right, guys, we're excited for the new drift build. Make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe. Let me finish up this so we can get this car on the road.